In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix can't make calls on WhatsApp web. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your browser permission. So click on this icon given at the top left and ensure camera and microphone toggle is on. Next thing you want to do is check your browser privacy settings. Click on the option site settings. Now click on this drop down for each one, camera and microphone, and set it to allow. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure both your computer and your phone have a stable internet connection since WhatsApp web relies on your linked phone to stay connected. If your connection is weak or unstable, calls may fail or disconnect. Next, clear browser cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots, go to settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on site settings. Click on view permission. Now here, search for WhatsApp web. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and complete the deletion. Next thing you want to do is navigate to the section of extension. If you found out any suspicious extension, if you have connected VPN proxies, ad blockers, disable it or remove it. Next up, you can refresh the WhatsApp web page. Likewise, check for your browser update as well. If any updates are available, just update it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.